ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಹುಡುಗರ ಫೇಸ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ Good morning.
Morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Only 16 students are attending today. So, okay. In case 16 is the strength, I will not continue the class, but we'll discuss as per the schedule today. See that your video is on. See, don't mute the video. I want to see all the people, all the students. See that your video is on. One student. So I am requesting, see that your video is on. We will have a discussion today. Don't mute your mobile. See, I am requesting, see that your mobile, your video is on. I am not seeing anybody. Adur, Arun.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. See that your video is on.
Yes, sir.
Just a minute. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅದೇ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ನಂದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಹುಡುಗರು ಫೇಸ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ಬೇಕು 22 students only. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾಡೋದಾರ technical Niranjana. So I will do one thing. You people are. I'm having the copy of the attendance today. Hardly some 22 students are attending. Altogether 21 students. One left. So right now I'm having the list of the students who are attending. But the thing is 22 students. But the thing is you are not coming online. I mean to say video mode. So it is left to you. First I am requesting, second you consider this is my urge, third then it is very worst. Because it is the discussion class today. Adur, what is the problem? Why I am not seeing you? Ishika. Camera is off. So you are not just you see you are managing the mobile. Ah. What is the problem? Prithvi. ಒಂದು ನಿಮಿಷ ಬಿಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬಂದೇ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಬೇರೆ ಹುಡುಗ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ ಎಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೊಡ್ತಿತ್ತು ಒಂದು ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಂ ಏನು ಹೆಸರು ಓಕೆ ಮೇಘನಾ nobody. Adur, why you two are there in where you are right now? Home or hostel? What about the sounds? I think your audio is mute. You speak?
Yes, sir. We are in hostel today.
Oh, you reached Bijapur?
Yes, sir. We are in Bijapur.
Good,
We are
good.
in Bijapur.
Yes. One more student trying to appear. Struggling. No problem with your hairstyle. I am not here to see your hairstyle. Don't worry. So when you are in Bijapur, this is the way, best way to say hello. Good morning. Very good morning. Meghna. Oh, then I have to call all students. Chaitanya, Chandra Reddy. मोबाइल चालू किए पता नहीं कहाँ पे ये लोग
Sir, my camera is not working. Really, my camera is not working.
ये होता है बीजापुर आने के बाद ऐसे हो जाता है जस्ट सी वेरी 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 गुड मॉर्निंग टू मेघना सी हर आईज आंख देखो अभी भी उठे Yes, I will say good morning. निशा सिंधे मोबाइल तो ऑन है वर्गीस अंकित पृथ्वी
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah, you are Prithvi. 2 in 1. Okay. Jadhav, निशा, कुंभार.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे नहीं दिखा रहे?
Ajay.
सब लोग अभी भी उठे बीजापुर में. Huh?
Sachin Banda. Ankit Banda.
Anvi. Niranjana. Chandra Reddy. Almost all. How many students are here? How many students reached Vijapur? Any idea? How many students reached Vijapur? अगर आपके मोबाइल म्यूट में है तो see that you unmute your mobile first, please. I am seeing all mics band hai. Speak. All you please see that your mobile is unmute mode. Yeah, it's good. How many students reached Bijapur? How many of your friends? Shashwat, good morning. अभी भी उठे देखो आंख. At least one you please answer. कितने लोग आए बीजापुर को out of 150 students? Any idea?
Sir, right now 5 of us are there.
See, I will not document anything. I will not bore you. I will not ask some. I will ask some questions for discussion, but in a good manner. Be open for the discussion. Be free.
No internet.
We need some interaction with the students. Okay, one of you please tell me कितने लोग आए आपके friends यहाँ पे बीजापुर में?
Sir, 5 of us.
Only 5.
Sir, by Sunday everyone will come. Most of them.
Yes, Adur.
Sir, by Sunday most of students will come.
Most means how many you are expecting? Out of 150?
Sir, 50, 60.
50, 60. Any instruction from principal sir about online or offline class? Any information you got?
So they will tell by 26th. So Mangala ma'am mentioned by 26th they'll tell.
Okay, you better to ask madam because after this, Sumangala madam continuing the class. Okay. Now, in 15-20 minutes we will discuss something as the part of SGD. Be free. How was your lockdown period before that?
Sorry, sir?
How was your lockdown period? Lockdown period.
Sir, good.
Good. You enjoyed lockdown period. Very good.
Sir, most of the time I was in campus only.
Which campus?
The BLD campus.
कब आए? How
In the
many
month
days?
of May.
Huh?
In month of May.
May, you reached Bijapur in the month of May. So last 1 month you are staying here.
Yes, sir.
Why?
Allow
Okay,
for the
leave it.
college, sir.
Leave it. So you people studied a couple of weeks back, I think so, some 3-4 classes back, my individual class, we discussed about regulation of the respiration. Okay, Chaitanya left. When I started physiology, Chaitanya left. Ishika not coming. Kumbar.
Yes, sir.
Kumbar, where are you? Niranjana.
My connection is not proper, sir.
किसी के हाथ में मोबाइल दिए रहते हैं और क्या है वो ऑन करते क्लास ओके so tell about the regulation of the respiration. What are the types of regulation? Anybody? Meghna?
So central and peripheral regulation.
Good morning. They are not the types of regulation, neural and chemical regulation. So I will brief one more time, very important class. What is the time now? Right now? Okay, still time is there. There are two types of regulation. One, why this regulation system is important in the body? What is tidal volume?
500 ml.
What is tidal volume?
Normal amount
Of
air
air
inspired or expired.
expired during normal
Normal
inspiration.
respiration.
Good. How much it is?
500 ml.
500 ml.
500 ml. Okay. Why it is 500 ml? Just wait. Let's discuss. Why it is 500 ml? Why not 800 ml? Why not 100 ml? समझ में आ रहा है मेरा क्वेश्चन? How many times you respire in a minute? Jadhav,
12 to
12 to
16.
12 to 16 times.
how many times?
12 to 16.
It is called as respiratory rate. How much it is? Any other students? Prasanna Kumar.
Yes, sir.
कहाँ पे? Where are you? I am not seeing all students at a time. Okay. So it is in between 14 to 16 or 14 to 18 times. Okay. Why 14 to 18 times? Why not 5-6 times? Why not more than 20-30 times? Any idea? Any idea?
Because of the lung capacity.
Because of the lung capacity, no. What is the reason for rhythm and cycle? Something should maintain the respiratory rate. Am I right? What maintains in body? Which part is having the role in maintaining the respiratory rate and tidal volume? Nakshatra. There are some respiratory centers in brain and brain stem which are responsible for the rate of the respiration and the tidal volume. Okay. There are so many affecting factors. Now I will ask one question. What अदूर इधर जरा सुनो, पीछे वाला बहुत हंस रहा है.
Yes, sir.
नहीं, हंसने का नहीं है. Okay. Whether your respiration is voluntary or involuntary.
It is somewhat voluntary, but almost involuntary.
Okay, both you are having, very good. Okay, the centers for the voluntary respiration are present in cerebral cortex. सुनो इधर अच्छी तरह, एग्जामिनेशन पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. Imagine the brain. You know the brain stem and the brain cortex. The centers for this voluntary respiration are present in cortex. For the involuntary, for example, right now what you are breathing, you are doing two things. One, you are listening my class. Second one, you are respiring. Okay, so you are respiring without your conscious, then it is a part of involuntary. Okay, this involuntary respiration is controlled by some neural centers. Both are neural part only. The centers for this involuntary respiration are present in brainstem. Okay, in brainstem, there is a lower part of the brain. There are some portions called as medulla and pons. Centers, respiratory centers are present in medulla. They are called as medullary centers. In pons, the centers which are present, they are called as pontine centers. Okay. Adur, you tell me some. What are the centers present in medulla? Mobile on karo. You see that your mobile is on.
Sir, cardiovascular center. Cardiovascular center in medulla.
We are discussing something about respiratory centers. Since from 15 days I am taking respiratory classes, not cardiovascular classes. I am discussing the regulation of respiration, not the regulation of.
Sorry, sir. Breathing center.
Breathing, blood pressure.
Breathing.
Anybody? Meghna?
Breathing center.
Breathing center, cardiovascular system and nervous system.
Name the respiratory centers.
Dorsal respiratory group.
Very good. Dorsal respiratory group and
Ventral respiratory
Ventral
group.
respiratory group.
ventral respiratory group. These are present in medulla. Okay. What name the centers which are present in pons? Prasanna Kumar.
Pneumotaxic centers. Pneumotaxic center.
Good. Pneumotaxic center and one more. Apneustic center.
Apneustic center.
Apneustic center. Okay. Now, what are the functions of this dorsal respiratory group? Shake.
This is sensory input, sir.
What is the function? What are the functions? Okay. What are the different types of neurons are present in dorsal respiratory group? No use.
Inspiratory neurons.
Respiratory off switch neurons.
Yeah, very good. Suchet. Yeah, you are answering better. You attended. Who is 102? Is here?
Yes, sir, it's me.
Huh?
Sir, it's me.
Sachit,
Yes,
na?
sir. Yes, sir.
102. Very good. Appreciating. Attended regularly. You are in touch with the subject. You are following actually physiology, especially respiratory system, especially regulations. While I was teaching, you meet me in person, impressed a lot. And one more girl, who is that? Regularly she used to listen and she used to respond me for any questions. Okay. Now, what is inspiratory rank? Inspiratory ramp. Shashwat, you are in home. Yeah. Let other observe you, your family members, how you answer. The basic questions I am asking. It tells where you stand in first year MBBS.
Yes, sir. What was the question?
What is inspiratory ramp?
Respirator. Sorry, sir. I don't know.
अटेंड नहीं किए, मोबाइल चालू किए तो ऐसे हो जाता है. If I ask the question to Sachet, he will answer. I am sure. Okay. What are the functions of? What are the different types of neurons? Inspirator, offshoot, or any other neurons? You know, group of neurons in a dorsal respiratory group. Chaitanya. What are the functions of apneustic center? Sanvi.
So it strongly activates medullary centers.
Huh?
So it strongly activates medullary centers.
Affecting. What is Herring-Brewer reflex? Herring-Brewer reflex. See, I told such a way I discussed with you people about the regulation of the respiration under long question heading, under short answer heading, and Viva questions, practical questions, and I made you people to take some notes also. Exclusively these 4-5 classes what I conducted, examination point of view, very important. This is the fate of online classes. Yesterday when I was talking about the hypoxia, hardly 29 students attended. Hardly 29 students attended. I don't know about it. Now also 28 students. उसमें भी कितना मोबाइल चालू है. तन्मय गौड़ा, नायक, तनिष्ठा शर्मा, सिद्धि प्रशांत कुमार, श्रेयांक यलमले.
Sir, I'm traveling.
Sorry.
Sir, I'm traveling. I'm coming to Bijapur.
Okay. Ritu, Vishwanath, okay, what do you mean by chemical regulation of respiration? Chemical regulation of respiration. What are the receptors responsible for chemical regulations?
So central and peripheral.
Yeah, I know, Sachet, you only answer. What are the causes of this stimulation? What are the chemical compositions by which these
Hypoxia, sir.
chemoreceptors
Hypercapnia.
yeah, exactly. You name?
Sorry, sir.
Hypoxia, hypercapnia, and
Hypoxia.
Acidosis.
hydrogen ion. Hydrogen ion. Okay.
Partial pressure of carbon dioxide.
Yeah, that is hypercapnia. Increased partial pressure of carbon dioxide is called as hypercapnia. What is hypoxia?
Decreased O2 content in the tissue level.
Nakshatra.
Increasing oxygen level inside the body.
Absence of enough oxygen to the tissues.
Absence is called as
Decrease of
anoxia.
oxygen
Anoxia.
supply in the tissue.
Hypoxia. Anoxia. The absence of oxygen, completely lack of oxygen at tissue level is called as anoxia. Hypoxia.
The absence of oxygen to sustain the bodily functions.
Decreased oxygen level at the tissue level. Absence is called as anoxia. Anoxia. Hypoxia is a long question. Yesterday I discussed definition, causes, classification, treatment. Yesterday only, in between 9 to 10. Long, which carries 10 marks. So when you're not prepared the given topic, then what to discuss? See, today 9 to 10, sorry 10 to 11. So if you go through your timetable, you are seeing SGD, small group discussion. Okay, this is online together, small group. Nowadays you people are in small group only. Only 27 students are here today attending. So it is a small group. Like mentor wise, what happens now, the same thing is happening here. Out of 150 students, only 28 students are attending. So yesterday also I told, be prepared with the regulation of the respiration for the discussion. So not opened any textbook. It's good that some of students are here, some are coming. Okay, no problem. See, online portions, what so far we covered. Don't think that offline one more time we are discussing. No, it is not at all possible. So shortly, we are finishing entire portion. The practicals, online practicals, sure, student work will be there. Theory classes, no. When you join here, when we start the offline classes, the remaining classes will be there. I am sure. So nearing 100 classes so far we conducted. 100 classes, 100 theory classes. Some around 40 to 50 classes are remaining. That is some part of CNS. So endocrinology, renal we started, and special senses. So apart from all systems, we are so far online. What we conducted, don't think that one more time we are going to teach. There won't be any spoon feeding for you people. So as for instruction of the NMC online classes, whatever we take, so that's all. So it will be there for the examination, the portions. Some discussion will be there, like SGD and all, for some topics. So I hope you people join here as early as possible as per the instruction. I am not instructing anything. Most probably we may start offline classes. Date we don't know, but I am sure batch wise we will start practicals. In case assembling all 150 students in a hall, it is as per the protocol. But 25 students each day within a different timing, morning or afternoon. So practical and small group discussion will be there when you reach campus. Okay. So almost respiratory system is over. Only one class is pending. Yesterday, along with the hypoxia, I was supposed to complete some applied part of hypoxia. Not applied part of respiratory system. The different types of breathing, hypercapnia allowed. So next week, so one more class we are going to discuss with the respiratory system. Then after that, some endocrine classes. Okay. Any queries in respiratory system, especially my classes? What you want to know? Shubham. Yeah. Any questions regarding respiratory physiology? Vinanti, Vaishnavi, just now these people joined, I think so. Ankit,
No, sir.
anything, any portion of respiratory physiology, second half, you want me to repeat? Hmm? No answer from student side. Okay, a small part of regulatory system. Just now we were discussing about dorsal respiratory group. That portion I would like to discuss one more time. Just I have to talk still 10 to 15 minutes. Discussion is not possible. It is not at all possible unless and until you people are prepared with the subject, given subject. Now listen. So one of the center, there are totally 4 centers. Adur, don't talk. One of the center out of 4 is dorsal respiratory group. What is this respiratory center? These respiratory centers are nothing but group of neurons. Neurons, you know what is neuron? It is the basic structure and functional unit of nervous system. These centers, dorsal, they are present in the dorsal part of medulla oblongata. That is the reason it is called as dorsal respiratory group. These dorsal respiratory group is having so many variety of neurons. So many variety of neurons. Okay. Depending upon the function, these neurons are named. these neurons are named. For example, two important neurons I will discuss. One is CIA neurons. CIA neurons. CAI neurons. Centrally active inspiratory neurons. What is the function? What is the function? So what it does, it produces action potential. सब लोग अनम्यूट किए? Only Shashwat is here. See here, it is such a system. So towards the right side of my desk, along with your name, I see some color marks. यहाँ पे सेटअप में है. जो लोग माइक म्यूट करते, वीडियो म्यूट करते, सब मालूम होता है इधर. I will come to know those students who are just managing them mobile. Just they maintain that mobile in such a way that both video and audio are in mute mode. I will come to know different colors I will get. For example, Sachit, his audio is mute, video is on. Shashwat, audio is mute, video is on. Shubham, same thing. Jadhav, same thing. And like this, so many students are there. For example, Prithvi, not at all possible. Adur, he went. So I will get Jadhav just. He's using the mobile. He's handling. Prithvi, don't know. He's out. I will get all the information. All the information here.
Sir, I am here only, sir.
Okay. What you see every day, this online system. You know, there is a. We have to give the attendance. We will take the printout of this one. We will take. These are IT people. They will submit the printout of this. What right now I am seeing, the right part of my desk. So this is attendance. On this. I mean to say, with this reference, we are going to put your attendance. Now, one thing what you people did night, we having maja with that is trailer. Now we will ask where you what you did in the lockdown, why you people were not online, that how why you people just managed the mobile during the online class. All this is a part of the discussion, offline discussion. Okay. No. Some people are rejoining now. I will get all. जिसका भी वीडियो बंद होता, ऑडियो बंद होता है. Okay. I was talking about CAI neurons. CAI neurons, they are basically inspiratory neurons. Depending on the function types of the neurons, they are classified in the dorsal respiratory group. I asked in between one question, what is inspiratory ramp? So inspiratory ramp, it's because of the CAI neurons, also called as alpha neurons. When the action potential is generated, initially this action potential will be very slow. Gradually it increases, it forms a staircase like ramp-like structure. So when this ramp forms, then your respiration starts in your body. So it ends after 2 seconds. That ending is because of IOS, what Sachit told just now. Different type of neurons present in DRG. It is called as inspiratory off switch. So when this off switch neuron comes in action, the ramp stops, your expiration starts. CAI neuron is responsible for inspiration. IOS neurons are concerned with expiration. So this continues for 3 seconds. After 3 seconds, again, the CAI starts generating the action potential impulse. Again, the ramp starts. Again, after 3 seconds, this IOS stops. So this cyclical repetition continues. 2 seconds functions of CIA, 3-second function of IOS. So this is the cause for the rhythm, respiratory rate, what you are breathing, the number of times, the inspiration, expiration. So your respiratory rate depends upon these neurons. These neurons. Okay. So this is one part. Second one, VRG, the ventral respiratory group neurons. Usually they will not come in action. Chaitanya, मजाक का वक्त नहीं है.
Sorry, sir. He was interrupting in the camera and
I'm seeing his face also. Is your
so he
roommate?
was interrupting. That's why.
Is your roommate?
So there are many students coming in the hostel, so can't do anything right now.
Your classmates?
Batchmates, yes, sir.
Batchmates. Okay. So normally in a quiet breathing. So normally right now the type of breathing what we are having, it is a quiet. So this is called as quiet breathing. This VRG, ventral respiratory group, will not come in action. When forceful respiration starts, that time this VRG comes in action, ventral respiratory group. Okay. Then the second part, Pontine centers, they control the functions of DRG. For example, apneustic center, they are having the control on IOS neurons. Pneumotaxic center, they are having the control on apneustic centers. If you remember, those who attend, I gave the one example of staff member, students, staff members, HOD, principal. If you remember, you will understand that one. Okay. So I will not discuss more than this. It is just saying hello to the SGD schedule today. Okay. Just you confirm with our HOD madam for next madam conducting GI hormone class. I mean to say you confirm whether you will be having online classes or offline classes from Monday onwards. Yeah, first onwards. Okay, when you are here, whether you should be online. Yeah, you are coming to the department for the practicals. You confirm that one. In case if it is offline, you especially I am concerned with 1 to 20 students. You personally roll number 1 to 20. You meet me. We will discuss something about the practical schedule. We will discuss something about the group discussion tutorials. Okay, you be in touch in case if you are in the campus and take care about your health also. Okay, thank you attending this small group discussion. Again from Monday you are having the online classes right now as per the timetable. So coming Friday, I am having one last respiratory classes. After that, I am going to start the endocrine system. Okay, thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
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 If you are free, come to the department. Those who are here,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
meet your mentors.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Sir, currently many students are traveling, so not all of them can join the meeting.
ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂಕಿತ ಸರ್ ಬಿಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು
हाँ हाँ बोल बोल बोल
Chaitanya. Chaitanya.
I'm bro scam.